Hello guys, what's up? I hope that you are doing extremely good and fine. I hope that your weekend was also amazing, that you had some rest, relaxed, and not overtrade these days. And right now I'm ready to do a live trading session with you guys here on our favorite platform, Pocket Option. As usual, I'm showing you here live all my thoughts, how I'm making decisions in real time, how I'm finding the signals and opening the trades in Pocket Option. So today we're gonna operate here with a currency pair. Don't forget that also Pocket Option has not only currencies but also cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, indices. I hope that my music is not too loud. I hope that you can hear everything. So, are you ready to start, guys? I hope that you are, because I am. And I hope that today we're gonna have a very profitable session with me. I already opened some trades. I was shooting a YouTube videos for you today. So, and not only that, I was also operating. So yeah, and as you can see, I did some already analysis. You can see what I drew here. And by the way, AUD/USD is moving with an amazing structure for such a long time in this downward parallel channel. And maybe soon we'll be here to open some trades in the downward direction on this chart. So right now we are reviewing each chart, looking for some signals for clear structure. Like I see that the euro dollar, it looks like it's moving in the upward parallel channel. I can try to draw it to confirm my theory about that. Drawing always helps us to see the structure, to see how the price is moving, in what direction it's moving, and where it's gonna move in the next couple of minutes, hours, maybe even days, who knows. Right, so what we see is that euro dollar seems like going down, even though it didn't touch here actually the resistance. So maybe it's not gonna go fully down to touch the support again. I think that it will go to touch the resistance, because we can see here it was moving pretty clear, you know, like it was always touching the support or the resistance. So I believe that here it's not gonna go fully down. I don't know, we can try to also draw here the support, but it feels like the price is already though maybe if we draw the support right there, maybe. Okay. And by the way, we can see even this support on 30 seconds time frame, so it's pretty close, right? Yeah, it's pretty close. So I think we can open here soon the trades in the upward direction. So we are staying here with the euro dollar, but right now it feels like it got stuck here. You see, for a long time there was a signal to open the trade in the upward direction here, where MACD lines crossed in the oversold zone. Here was the signal, but the price got stuck in this area, so I will just wait a little bit. Right now it's super slow, and the candles are also super small, so I think it will take hours for the price to go up, but we'll be watching it. What about this? I don't like really how this one moves. I don't see here clear structure. In euro dollar we could see it, and on Canadian dollar unfortunately nothing. Euro rumble today, I think I also was operating on this chart. It was moving in the downward parallel channel, as you can see, and now it's changed Oi. It changed the direction, it looks like. I think here is forming the upward parallel channel, but I think we should also watch it. I think soon we will see the clear structure on this currency pair. And the Euro NZD, my favorite one today, by the way, because today I opened on this chart. I opened way too many good trades, and by the way, I again forgot to change the time zone. I'm sorry. For some reason, I drank coffee, and right now I have hiccups. Okay. Anyway, guys, also don't forget, by the way, that I have my community in Telegram. There is the QR code on the screen which you can scan, and you can join my community of traders, where I explain more about how I work, more strategy breakdowns, more explanations, more updates, more analysis. And if you have any questions, you can also text me in my private messages on Telegram. The link is in the description, so you're more than welcome to text me, and I will try to explain you everything, how I work, what do I do, and yeah, basically that's it. So we see Euro NZD is moving in the downward parallel channel, but it got stuck on the resistance. Alright, so it got stuck here, and it doesn't mean that we can't open here any trades. We definitely can do that. Let me just change the color like that. So maybe soon we could open an upward trade. The trade in the upward direction. Like here was a good signal to open the trade. Here was an amazing signal to open the trade in the upward direction. So why not? I will also watch this this chart. So right now we are just marking which charts we're interested in. Oh, but still, just I already forgot what I was telling about the Euro Ruble. Euro Ruble, because right now there is 4-minute signal, 30 seconds time frame, but I don't think that we should believe that. And the Euro Dollar went a little bit more down. Right now it's right on the support, but we're still waiting for the signal to appear. AUD USD also is on the resistance, and there is 4-minute signal to open the trade in the downward direction. Actually, let's try to open for 3 minutes $100 AUD USD. I'm in only for 3 minutes because we're checking. This is just a warm-up. The first trades, they're always you know, even though I was operating today, still the price is always changing. It's changing the speed, it changes the volatility, the force, the power. I don't know, everything changes so fast on the market. So for example, when I was shooting the video for you guys on YouTube, first trades I was opening with a time frame with expiration time 5 minutes, and then the market changed and I started to open the trades for 3 minutes. So because the last trades I opened with 3 minutes and they were really successful, they were really profitable. Right now I just continue opening with 3 minutes, though everybody who are watching my live streams always you know that usually I'm opening the trades for 5 minutes and up. 3 minutes, it's like a short time for me, but the market makes us to change our strategies, our habits our psychology sometimes even, right? Because psychology of the trader is also very important. We need to be patient. And yeah, ADCNY is forming the signal to open the trade in the upward direction. I don't know why, but today I'm checking everything on the longer time frames, like 30 minutes, 1 hour, because as you can see, the prices are moving in very big channels, to tell the truth, and it can be good and to be bad at the same time. So ADCNY is right in the middle. I believe that it will go down to touch the support, and we still have maybe time to open some trades in the downward direction. Right now there is formed the signal to open the trade in the upward direction, so I'm gonna miss that, and I will probably open the next one, which will be formed like here, for example. I think was an excellent trade. By the way, let's check the time. 7:58 formed the signal, and at 8:05 the price went down. So 5 minutes here would be perfect on this chart, and here we have the last 10 seconds and the price went a little bit up. But for me right now it looks like a profitable trade, and the first one, the first profit is right there, guys. Congratulations to everybody. If you open this trade with me, you are amazing, and me too. And yeah, if you want to know more about what I'm doing, how I'm doing my trading, how I found my strategy, my style, instruments that I'm using, you're more than welcome to join my Telegram channel. There is the QR code on the screen which you can scan, and also there is the link in the description which you can click on that and join my community of traders. And if you have any questions about trading, about work, I'm here to help you and to reply on all of your questions on my Telegram. If you are afraid that it's not me on the Telegram, guys, don't be afraid. Probably it's my assistant because every day I'm getting many messages from you, and I'm not physically able to reply to everyone, so sometimes my assistant replies to your messages on Telegram. But anyway, I'm always there. I'm always checking what my assistant writes to you, replies to you, and we are both discussing every day my socials. And I'm even actually thinking to start to go to the university to get the second higher education in marketing, because I'm very good with finances, but I'm really bad with marketing, socials, and I think if I go to study, it will like really help me, you know. So but I'm afraid that I'm not gonna, like right now I don't have enough time for everything I want, and I think if I start studying at the university, this is gonna be a catastrophe for me. I will not be able to do anything. I don't know. Like the university takes so much time, but at the same time I love challenges, I love learning, I love studying, so maybe it's not gonna be a real problem for me. CHF GPY on 30 seconds looks super lateral, and there is the signal to open the trade in the upward direction. So I'm thinking maybe to fall for that. At 7:55 there was a signal, and okay, maybe 3-4 minutes on this chart would be actually good to open the trade in the upward direction, even though I see that the price is moving in the downward channel, and I see like it has big chances right now to go down. But I also see the support zone somewhere here. So, and many touches of the support, so I think it can go down, but maybe we can open a trade. Okay, just I prepared just in case. 4 minutes, $100, and maybe soon I'll open the trade. Let's see. Well, the signal formed 4 minutes. $100 in the upward direction. CHF GPY I entered, and now we are just waiting. By the way, guys, don't forget to put a like to this live stream and to follow my YouTube channel, because this promotes my YouTube channel so much, and I need your support for my community of traders to grow. So yeah, also share this live with your friends, relatives, everybody who is interested in trading. And we are waiting for 3 more minutes. So guys, hope you had already your dinner, or maybe not, because me right before the live stream session I ate and now I'm feeling myself so relaxed, but so much better. I don't know, I think there is something wrong with the weather, because all the day I felt myself powerless. I don't know, and only by the evening I feel myself pretty good. I don't know, I had a headache. I had a feeling like I'm getting ill, or I'm having allergies, because you know it's spring in Greece right now. I'm living in Greece, if you didn't know. So yeah, or maybe I'm just not a morning or day person. Maybe I'm a vampire and I'm feeling myself good only during the night. I don't know. Like really, every night I'm feeling myself amazing. I don't know, I can work, create, I don't know, only at nights. Like during the day, during morning hours, you better don't touch me, don't talk to me, don't force me to work or do anything. And yeah, the price got stuck just on the entry point where I entered. Look, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles that are opening almost in the same place. What the hell? Okay, now it finally started to move, finally. So maybe 4 minutes was just a perfect time, but anyway, we're waiting for 1 more minute. And so then we will move on. Don't forget, guys, about risk management. That's also important. What else, guys? This weekend there was International Women's Day. I hope that if there are any women that are watching me right now, that you got your bouquet of flowers. I don't know, maybe some cake from your man, from your father, from your brother, I don't know, from your colleagues maybe at work. I'm not working in the office, so I didn't get any gifts from my colleagues, but when I was studying at school, I think we had a tradition in my school for the boys to give some presents to the girls. Some small presents like notebooks, or I don't know, or I think there were always notebooks actually. I don't really remember, but anyway, look, amazing profitable trade. This one was super stable and it went so good up. So maybe we can open again here the trade, but next time in the downward direction, because now we know what time we need. Yeah, we know that this one moves pretty stable, not like euro dollar. Euro dollar broke the support. Look, it was moving in this channel since yesterday, right? 09, yeah, today we have 010. 010, just 10. So it was moving in the upward parallel channel since yesterday, and now it broke it. Okay, for now I would say that the price is looking for support and resistance, so I think euro dollar we can close it. And just to move on to the next chart, which is Euro Ruble. And I think I can also, I don't know if rectangular is actually good here. But yes, something like that. It looks more lateral, and even moving averages here are parallel to each other. But the price right now is in the point, it's just in the middle. It can go up and it can go down, but I can feel that it will go up, to tell the truth. I think it's in the upward direction, and I think on Euro Ruble it's better to open the trades in the upward direction right now. But I don't see any signals to open the trade in the upward direction, only in the downward, which I don't want to open. So Euro NZD actually went up again, and I think I was telling you that this one will go up, or maybe not. I don't remember what I was telling you. But anyway, we see the result that it went up again. It's super close to the resistance, so maybe soon there will be a really nice signal to open the trade in the downward direction. So we are watching Euro NZD, and I will check it every, I don't know, 5 seconds. And guys, again, the reminder, if you want to get more signals from me, more advices about trading, more strategy breakdowns, there is the Telegram channel. The QR code is on the screen. You can scan it and join my community of traders. And if you have any questions about what I'm doing, how I'm doing this, you can always text me on my Telegram or my private messages. The link is also in the description of the stream. You can click on that and write me on my Telegram. And yeah, I relaxed a little bit. But it's better not to, because we have the whole trading session waiting for us, right? We just started, we just warmed up, so now this is the time for us to really, like, you know, start thinking, working. CHF GPY, I think for now I'm gonna close it. I don't see here clear structure. AUD USD, I think I opened here the trade, right, in the downward direction for 30 minutes. And I would love to open one more time here the trade in the downward direction. But for now, I don't see that the price like goes down. Yes, from here it went down, but maybe it will stay lateral a little bit for a couple of minutes next to the resistance. So I would prefer just to watch this one. There is 4-minute signal on Euro or on AUD USD to open the trade in the downward direction. MACD lines are crossing, but they're crossing in the oversold zone, which is a bad signal. But because we know that AUD USD is tend to go down, it's not a bad signal. But I think I would skip this one to watch how the price is acting, how it's moving, if it's changed the trend reversal or not. And then on the next one, if there is a signal, I would open on the next one. So guys, so we are just trying to be safe and to open only 100% profitable trades, right? We don't need extra risk. We are just careful. ADCNY also is right in the middle of the channel, to tell the truth, which I also kind of hate, but at the same time, maybe the support is somewhere there. Maybe it's closer than we think. Oh fuck, hiccups, I'm sorry guys. Probably I just need a lot of water. Disaster. Oh, just breathe. I hope that it went away. Maybe I'm talking too much and I can't talk and breathe in the same time. have problems in that aspect. Euro NZD finally starts going down. By the way, let's check the time. Here was a signal to open the trade in the downward direction at 7:49. 57, 49, 50. Well, I think I will open here the trade for 5 minutes soon. No less than 5 minutes, but here it went super fast down. But I think this one, we don't care that much about this one. But at the same time, it's kind of risky trade because it broke the resistance. So there is a chance that the price is gonna destroy the resistance and it can change the direction, because as I remember there were already many touches of the resistance, way too many. So at some point I think it's gonna break it. Anyway, Euro NZD 5 minutes in the downward direction. I opened the trade with $100. So you see, so many touches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's the 6th touch of the support, which is already a lot. So that's why this is a risky trade. But anyway, I already entered and we're gonna see if it was a mistake or not. I always tell you that 70-80% of the trades are profitable and 20-30% of the trades are not profitable. Unfortunately, we can't change it. We can't be 100% profitable, even though on the last stream I was 100% profitable. That doesn't happen too frequently. Usually I'm like opening sometimes bad trades, not profitable trades. I wouldn't say that they're bad though. Depends on the situation. Sometimes it's just the time, sometimes it's just me skipping some signals that I saw this on the screen, or taking a risk that I didn't need to take. But anyway, usually I'm opening a couple of not profitable trades, but previous time on the stream I was 100% profitable. And I'm proud that everybody saw that, all of my followers saw that, all of my viewers saw that. So yeah. So I would love also today to be 100% profitable and to open only profitable trades. But who knows, who knows. So what did I say about ADCNY? Actually, there is 4 minute signal to open the trade in the downward direction. And so maybe I will open here at 7:58. There was a signal, and at 8:06 it went down. So I would open maybe here for 5 minutes in the downward direction. ADCNY, why not? Euro NZD doesn't seem like that it's going to go down, even though we still have a lot of time and I want to sneeze. Allergies. I don't know why, but it feels like allergies. Or maybe I need just to clean my house. Maybe it's time. Maybe it got too dusty. I don't know. But actually, I'm sneezing today all day. That was like... a restart. Brain restart. I think my followers are terrified. I'm having hiccups on the stream, sneezing, thanks God not farting. Oh god, this looks like trend reversal right now, like a real, this huge candle looks like the thing that I was afraid the most of, the trend reversal, because I told you that there are so many touches of the resistance already that looks like at some point it's gonna break the resistance, and this is basically what happened. Okay. We will just move on, try to find some more trades. What can we do about it, right? Okay. So, what about euro dollar here? I see the support is pretty weird, you know? I don't think that I want to open here the trade. And yeah, Euro NZD has no chance to go down, so RIP to Euro NZD. Okay. Let's analyze some other charts. So let's see what we got here. And maybe soon we will find a better trade which will cover our loss, our first loss during this live trading session. So far we have when I started, so we have 2 profitable trades and 1 not profitable. Okay, that's fine. And we can see. Weird. NZD USD looks weird for me. Did it find a support somewhere there, maybe? Maybe. But I think NZD USD is still looking for support. So maybe it's not a good option to open the trade here. And for now, unfortunately, I don't see any good charts where I can open something, but we are not giving up. Oh, UAH USD actually looks kinda interesting for me, or maybe not. Looks like there was a pretty good channel, upward channel, and right now it looks like it destroyed it. Okay, then we're going to the next one. USD ARS looks like an upward parallel channel here. And maybe we can take an advantage of it because it's right on the support. So the signal has already formed. $47 was the signal, 57, so also 5 minutes and up. But maybe also it would be good to watch this one, because it doesn't have super clear structure. It just it's not moving for such a long time in this parallel channel. So let's watch this one, and you see that it goes down, so maybe it was actually a good idea not to open here. Euro Rumble. Okay, you know, your Rumble maybe doesn't look that bad. Who's texting me? Okay. Are you guys already texting me on my Telegram channel? Okay, also I see the channel right there on Euro Rumble. The price goes down, and maybe soon we will be ready to open the trade. in the upwards direction. Right now it goes down. So I'm waiting for the price to approach this level, and then maybe I'll be able to open the trade in the upward direction. USD ARS went a little bit down and still goes down. Okay, we're also just watching, waiting here for a signal. You know what? My back feels bad because I took out the pillow that I put under the back. So okay, good position in front of the computer is very important. Oh, by the way, I did a workout yesterday and today I have a muscle pain, imagine. So need to work out more, seems like. And AUD USD is going slowly down, and there is formed the signal to open the trade actually in a downward direction. Last time I opened here the trade for 3 minutes, and I want to do it again to tell the truth. So last time, even though the lines crossed in the oversold zone, as you remember, and I said to you that it's a bad signal, it went actually down. So 3 minutes in the downward direction, AUD USD, I opened the trade, I'm in. So yeah, and now it starts going up. No way. Okay, but I believe that it will go down. Maybe actual 5 minutes would be also a nice time, because according to the candles, you see that the candles here are pretty small. On Euro Ruble also very small candles. The price is moving super slow, but yeah, here we go, it went down. Let's go. Hello guys, to everybody. I see that many new people joined to me. Hello, welcome. Drop me some like to this video. Don't forget to support my YouTube channel. Follow me. I'm shooting new YouTube videos for you every week. Yeah, share this channel with also your relatives, friends, everybody who's interested about trading and who wants to start earning money with that. And if you want to join my community of traders, there is the QR code on the screen that you can scan, and also there is the link in the description that you can click on that and join my Telegram channel, where I do more strategy breakdowns, showing you more instruments and explanations. If you have any questions about trading, I will also try to answer in my private messages on Telegram, so feel free to text me. And I have again hiccups, oh my god. Why? 1 more minute, we're waiting there. Euro Ruble. It's on the same place for such a long time. I'm getting bored with Euro Ruble. Euro Ruble is so boring. And by the way, Euro NZD, even though it broke the resistance, it feels like it wants to return back to the channel, but we will see. And I wanted to open the trade on USD ARS, but it went down unfortunately, but we will see. Maybe I'll open here the trade a little bit later, because if MACD lines crosses there, it's gonna be a really good signal to open the trade maybe. And oh my god, it's so close to the point where I entered. AUD USD, I probably needed 2 minutes or 5 minutes. So here the problem was the time. The price was at the perfect moment. 2 minutes maybe would be better. I opened for 3 minutes, 2 minutes, or 5 minutes would be much better. Unfortunately, yeah. Okay, we are taking that and we are moving on. I think I will definitely open here again the trade in the downward direction on AUD USD, but yeah, for 5 or for 2 minutes. Though the previous time, as you remember, I opened the trade on for 3 minutes and it was profitable. So as I told you, the market always changes. Already 40 minutes of our trading session has passed, so probably the market has changed and we need just to accept these new rules. And meanwhile, I want to open a trade for $250 on ADCNY for 5 minutes in the downward direction. Because first of all, MACD lights crossed in the overbought zone. For me, it's a signal to open the trade in the downward direction. And also I checked the chart on the higher time frame, 30 minutes, which is actually huge because I'm operating on 30 seconds. And the price is moving in the upward parallel channel already for a long time, since yesterday. And it's actually kind of risky to open the trades against the main trend. So the main trend is the upward trend and I open the trade in the downward direction. This is a risk, but because the price has a clear structure, no chaotic moves, it looks like it's going down. So for a long time it will stay in a downward trend, especially on 30 seconds time frame where I'm operating. So we are fine with that, and that's why I opened here the trade. We are waiting for 4 more minutes there, and let's see how it goes. By the way, guys, I think the reason why I'm feeling myself bad today, not right now, but in the morning, I told you that I felt myself so bad. I think it's because yesterday all night I was playing a horror game. I just bought a new game for the PC, and it's not new, but I just wanted to spend, one night just playing. It's such a, I don't know, such a relax for my brain because, because of my work, I'm thinking a lot, I'm working a lot with my brain, and gaming is a perfect hobby for me, for my brain to relax. So yesterday I was like playing till 3 a.m. in the morning, just playing a stupid horror. The game was called Hellmart. It's like a simulator. I was working in the supermarket and there were different screamers, weird customers, weird freaks. But yeah, I finished the game. I played it first time in my life, and I'm not finishing all the games that I'm playing. But yeah, I finished that one. And yeah, that was a funny night. That I'm not like doing it very frequently, but once in a week, but once per 2 weeks maybe, sometimes I do that. So yeah, I'm curious if there are also any gamers that are watching me right now. I know that everybody right now are obsessed with a new game, Resident Evil, and I didn't play anything from Resident Evil. Like, there are many parts of this game and I didn't play any, but the last one looks pretty good, but way too scary for me. I love horror games, but this Resident Evil I think is way too scary for me. But all the streamers, as I saw, are playing it right now, so yeah. And we have 1 more minute to wait. And I hope I'm not gonna get on this correction. Time. Okay. Maybe let's check some other. Oh, you are Rubble. What are you doing? 5 minutes Euro Rubble. I opened the trade in the upward direction. What a beautiful signal. Let's hope that it was actually a good signal. But it just touched the support and it starts going up. So I hope that it's gonna go up. And this one is not gonna go up. So this one is moving in the upward parallel channel, but not for a very long time. So we're waiting there and here. The last 4 seconds and the profit is right there, $480. Congratulations to everybody, guys, who opened this trade with me, and congratulations to me that I found a really nice trade. I put a little bit more money than I usually put. Usually I open the trades with $100, but because I opened 2 trades that were not profitable in a row, I decided to increase a little bit the amount. But guys, don't forget about risk management. Don't put more than 5% of your deposit per trade. Be careful, but it's fine when 20-30% of your deposit is 20-30% of your trades are not profitable and 70-80% are profitable. So yeah, and here we're waiting for another one, Euro Rubble. And guys, today I'm gonna do the stream a little bit longer. Usually I do the stream that lasts 1 hour, but today I feel like the market is moving super good, so I want to trade with you extra 30 minutes. Even though I also need some things to do after the stream. Tomorrow I have a lesson of Greek language. I'm learning Greek right now, and I'm thinking to start my studies in the Greek university maybe in September. I don't know, to tell the truth. I need to learn more about this. I don't know how difficult it is or if I can do that or not, because I believe that I will need to pass the exam of Greek language, and my Greek is sucks. So yeah, anyway, I'm learning Greek, and tomorrow morning I have a lesson with my private teacher. So yeah, I need to do my homework. But anyway, I will stay with you 30 minutes more because I really enjoyed today's live trading sessions. We're finding good signals with a clear structure. So, and I hope that you will enjoy this extra 30 minutes of my stream today. And yeah, if you want to do not miss any of my live streams, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. There is the QR code on the screen that you can scan, and join my community of traders where I post more explanations, more updates, more analysis. My strategy is already well explained on my Telegram channel. Also, there is the link in the description which you can click and join my Telegram channel. So yeah, you're more than welcome. The price went amazingly up in Euro Rubble. And there is more than 1 minute for us to go. I hope that it's not gonna go down, but for now it looks amazing, and I want all the trades that I'm opening today to look exactly like that. Like, really. It looks super good. So love that moment when you're just relaxed, you're waiting for the result of this trade, and you know that for 90% this is gonna be profitable, and you're just celebrating that inside of you. You're not looking for the new trade, for the new analysis, you're just enjoying that moment to see the profit and then move on. Even though sometimes I'm trying not to lose my time, and always to search, but yeah, sometimes I enjoy just celebrating my profit. with a good funk music on the background playing. So, and here we go. Yay! $146. Well, actually, there is, I think when I opened this one, it had a better percentage. Like, you know, it had like 80 or 90, but now it went to 42, so it's not a very good profit, 42%, but okay. It was pretty easy for us to open here the trade and to get the profit, so that's fine, we're taking that. And yeah, we are just moving on. Let's see where else we can find good trades. ADCNY open here the trade in the downward direction, it went down, and I would love to continue opening here the trades in the downward direction, because on 30 minutes we see that it's still kind of far from the support, but at any moment it can start going up actually, but we will see. We will see. Right now there is a signal to open the trade in the upward direction, and I don't want to open the trades in the upward direction on this chart. Here actually I was waiting for a signal also, and there was a signal at 8:40, and at 8:45 the price went down. Okay, maybe I can open here the trade in the upward direction, but to tell the truth, so many touches of the support here, but maybe it just seems like that. Maybe it's not like that. Oh, by the way, guys, you know what? Recently I started to watch a new series, Emily in Paris. And all the day I'm dreaming about the moment for the day to finish, me to go to bed and to watch one episode of Emily in Paris. But I don't think that today I will have any power to do that, because I need to do my homework for Greek, and after Greek language I'm completely exhausted and destroyed. AUD/USD is forming the signal to open the trade in the downward direction. Last time I opened the trade for 2 minutes in the downward direction and it didn't work out. Let's try to open the trade for 2 minutes this time on AUD/USD. I opened for 2 minutes only AUD/USD. Oh my god, 2 minutes for me, it's such a small time frame, expiration time. It's kind of risky, but you know, I'm like a real hunter. For me right now it's a challenge to open the profitable trade on AUD/USD and to prove to myself that I can work with my strategy on any market, in any, I don't know, conditions, with anything, like, you know, because I believe that I created a system for trading that works for everybody, that works for professional traders, that works for newcomers, and that works with any conditions on the market. Oh my god, what a huge candle! Where are you going? Oh, AUD/USD is killing me, like literally killing me, but I will find a way how to how to make the profit there. We just need time and yeah, and patience. Maybe this one we need just to watch for a little bit and then to make decisions. Maybe this decision was made too quick. I just saw a signal and I opened the trade, and as you remember, this one is moving in the downward parallel channel, so I believe that this one will go down, but it doesn't want at all. Okay, next time I will open for 5 minutes, I think. Ah, hiccups. But oh my god, I hate this AUD/USD. I hate this currency pair. And for some reason, my nose is blocked. Okay, guys. Okay. Euro ruble is forming the signal to open the trade in the downward direction. But. I don't know, it didn't went too much up and now it goes down. I wouldn't open here the trade, to tell the truth, because I think at this point it can go in any direction. It's right in the middle of the channel, so this one is risky for me. This one is crazy, we know that. But we'll find out how to work with that. And I want to change the music. Just a sec. Where do I have my Spotify though? Oh, found it. Okay. Okay, I remember that on AED/CNY opened the trade in the downward direction, I think, and it was profitable, so I think I can open here the downward trade again for 5 minutes soon. The MACD lines are already in the overbought zone, we just wait for them to cross. And we can open here the trade in the downward direction. AED/CNY and AUD/USD, we are still watching. You know what? I believe that this one will go down, just it got stuck here on laterality. And yeah, maybe it just needed a little bit more time. Not 2 minutes, but like 5, 6 maybe even more. And here is a huge candle. And MACD lines are already touching each other. So, oh, it goes super fast in the downward direction, to tell the truth. Okay, here we go. 5 minutes, $100 in the downward direction. AED/CNY, I opened the trade in the downward direction. So again, we are just waiting. Oh, it starts going down. Okay, I don't know if we need to wait here for the result. AUD/USD. you know what I mean right there. And now I lost. Okay, found it. Yeah, AUD/USD seems like got stuck in this area. Again, it goes up. And Euro Rumble seems like right now it's going up, even though it looked like it was going down, but no, you see. I saw this false signal to open the trade in the downward direction, and it's super good that I didn't open here anything. You see the price goes up, and maybe soon when it reaches the resistance, which is there, we will be able to open the trade in the downward direction. Right now we're not falling for these false signals. because we did an analysis on a higher time frame, so we know that the price is going up to touch the resistance and ADCNY. Oh my god, is it a correction? Okay, but we still have 30 minutes and it's pretty a lot of time. Okay, we're just waiting. Oh my, correction. We got all the correction. Okay, I thought that it will not be that quick, this one. Because as you remember here, it wasn't that quick. The signal formed at 8:37 and at 8:47, so in 10 minutes it started to go up. But this time, again, the market seems like changed. Okay. Here doesn't change anything. Still, the price is moving up and down in this super small channel, parallel channel, I would say. Let's see how many minutes we need to open the trade. At 8:56 there was a signal, and at 8:58, 2 minutes actually, 2 minutes. I opened the trade last time for 2 minutes to open the trade, and it was still not profitable because I opened it here and the price went up and only then it went down. And right now it moves perfectly. Right now it doesn't move with these corrections, right? Okay. We'll just wait for a better signal there. Euro Rumble is the only one which is moving right now stable. So I will wait there. And maybe we can analyze some other charts to find a better signals. Well, actually there are already 4 candles which are on the same place. USD ARS doesn't want to go up. Okay, we see again the price reacted on the resistance, and right now it's going down. As I told you, Euro Ruble is the only chart where we can see some kind of stability and clear structure. So one more candle and I'm in for 5 minutes. And 5 minutes down, Euro Ruble, 5 minutes in the downward direction. Even though usually I do not operate with this chart because I think of the politics and all of this drama around these countries, it usually moves chaotically, but today it has an amazing structure and I hope that we will continue getting profit from this one. Okay, it goes down. It goes down and we are moving on. I don't know, I don't want to react on these signals on USD ARS because this one moves a little bit chaotic for me. So let's check some other charts because I feel like we need to find something new. This one also, well, still moves, and if we check the chart on 10 seconds time frame, it moves pretty, you know, stable, I would say. 59. Well, 2 minutes, yeah, 2 minutes still. And here, 05, 07, wow. But super risky to operate on such small time frame, guys. I do not recommend you to go lower with a time frame lower than 30 seconds. It's super risky, like really. Even though sometimes it looks super stable and good, but super risky. It's not that stable as you think. And so what parallel channel do we have here? BHG, CNY, but also is moving in a small parallel channel. I would say here was a nice signal. 01, 09. Okay, it looked like, you know, it went super fast up, but not really. Euro Ruble, no correction, please. Everything but not correction, please. But my light works so weird today. It's blinking for some reason. One more minute. Even Euro Rebel right now seems like changed. No way! Okay, maybe we need to put the trades for 3 minutes. Let me see. Here was the signal, right? At 9:06. 1 minute. It went up pretty fast, I would say. I thought maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes, but no, 1 minute and it started going up. Like, that's crazy actually. A lot of volatility, guys, right now. We need to be super careful at this point. A lot of volatility. Okay, I want to close this USD ARS, and probably the next one I will open again with the $250. And yeah, we are just moving on. Let's concentrate as much as we can, because the market changed and now we need to adapt. In the first hour of the stream, everything was amazing, but now when the rules changed, let's see if we manage to accept this new rules, this new market. Okay, Euro TRY seems like changed the trend direction. Euro Rebel even broke the resistance. Interesting. Maybe it's the trend reversal that I didn't notice. It could be, but we will see. We will continue watching. And the Euro NZD also seems like is breaking the support, and to tell the truth, I'm thinking to open here a trade. But for how many minutes? Okay, let's open for 3 minutes in the upward direction. Euro NZD, 3 minutes in the upward direction, $250. I'm in. Let's see. Euro NZD changed the trend direction. Like right now is in the upward direction. Upward trend, sorry, not direction. And yeah, here it formed the signal to open the trade in the upward direction because MACD lines crossed in the oversold zone below the 0 line. So for me, it's a perfect signal to open the trade in the upward direction. Even though it's not perfect and risky because it's a reversal of the trend, so the price is not stable and can move at this point chaotically. But yeah, we need to adapt to the new market. The market changed for the last 30 minutes, I think. Trades are not profitable when we open them for 5 minutes. Right now we need to open the trades for less time, seems like, because the market moves super fast and super chaotic. And I'm still thinking what to do with AUD USD because it still looks super weird. Look at these huge candles. So maybe it's better just to, I don't know, to be away from it, but there is a big desire inside of me to open here the trade for 2 minutes in the downward direction, and I can't, guys, but I can open the trade on AUD USD for 2 minutes in the downward direction. Let's see. By the way, Maybe it would be better to open for $50, not for 100. I don't know why I opened for 100. Even though I put less, not 250 but 100. Let's see. Let's see my experiment if it's gonna work or not. But this one goes good so far, and we have 1 more minute of waiting. Okay, AUD USD is super close to my entry point. And here we have the last 20 seconds. AUD USD again is killing me. Already 3 trades I opened here. One was super profitable, another was not profitable, and now the third one we will see. But here is my profit, $480 on Euro NZD. Congratulations to everybody, guys, who opened this trade with me. It was amazing, and it was super stable actually, even though I said to you that there is a big risk for this trade, but no. And AUD USD, we're still waiting, and even though it looks like it went down, we still have 10 more seconds, and with the chaos which this price is moving, I'm not sure that this one is gonna be profitable, but here we go. Another profit, guys. Don't forget to join my community of traders. The QR code is on the screen. You can scan it and join my community of traders. And if you have any questions about trading, you can ask me in my Telegram. The link is in the description. You can click on that and you can text me. And also on my Telegram, I'm sharing my strategies, my instruments, my signals, even sometimes. So I will be really happy if you join it if you want. And what else I wanted to tell you? I forgot. Oh yeah, we started this stream when I had $6,000 on my account, and right now we finally reached $7,000 on my account. So this stream is definitely profitable for me, and we still have time to open a couple of more trades. And by the way, Euro Rebel again reached, it reached the resistance and broke it a little bit, and it formed a signal to open the trade in the downward direction. But to tell the truth, I don't want to fall for it, so I'm just watching how Euro Rebel is moving right now, because it feels like it changed. On AUD USD, I don't think that I will try to open again the trade because there is too much risk. So I will keep it opened. Even though maybe it's better to close it because it's seducing me to open one more trade. Okay, what about ADCNY? It looks like it has a downward channel. Something like that. And maybe soon we will be able to open the trade in the downward direction. At a 9:04 there was a signal, and at 9:13, 9:10 the price went down. But what I don't like is that there was a signal to open the trade in the downward direction, the price went up, and actually I don't remember if I opened here the trade before, to tell the truth. I already forgot. Anyway, I will keep it open and so we can analyze the other chart. This one looks like there is too much volatility on CAD CGF, and the price is moving super fast. But maybe we can open it on a small time frame. Well, actually maybe it's not moving that fast as I think. 55. 58. Maybe I can open here the trade for 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes on 50 seconds time frame, which I think it's kinda risky. But AUD USD made me feel kinda brave. But we'll see. For now, I wouldn't open because it feels like it got stuck here. The same happened here. For a long time, the price didn't move from here, and then it started to move good. So maybe I need a little bit more of the candles. Like this one actually looks pretty good. Three minutes, I'm in. CAD, CHF, 3 minutes in the upward direction. I open the trade, and now it starts going down. Amazing. Okay, we're waiting. We're waiting calmly. Do you think that before the end of the stream we can make my balance 8,000? Would be really nice. Couple of more trades with the $250 and maybe we're gonna reach 8,000. So it would be actually amazing. But yeah, guys, don't forget about risk management. Don't put more than 5% of your deposit. Okay guys, it's 9:22 already. And somebody's texted me at this time. Mail is texting me, probably some ads. Okay, for now it looks good, but we're waiting for 1.5 minutes, which is kinda a lot for this chart because it has a lot of volatility. The price moves super fast, and yeah, I don't like looking at this point. I prefer not to know. And maybe on Euro NZD we will be able to open the trade again in the upward direction soon. Who knows? I need for the price to go down again. You see, actually the price is using resistance as a support right now. You see? Boom, boom. Here was a break. Again, and now it goes down again to touch the support. And what happened? CAD, CGF. Oh my god, yeah, that's what I hate. That's why I hate to open the trades for like on the small time frame, because too much risk, guys. And I opened this trade on 15 seconds time frame, so I'm telling you, 30 seconds, this is where we need to work. It's moving super fast and it's very difficult to guess the expiration time. Okay, the lesson learned, one more time, the lesson learned that it's very risky to open the trades on such a short time frame. We are not going more down than 30 seconds, and by the way, ADCNY is forming a signal to open the trade in the downward direction. Here I would love to open for 5 minutes in the downward direction on ADCNY, but I need a little bit more candles in the downward direction. I need a confirmation that the price will go down. And my nose, I want to scratch it so bad. Okay, this one goes down maybe soon. You're in ZD, we're waiting for you. Okay, so now we're paying attention on Euro NZD and an AED CNY. You see, I didn't get the confirmation from the candles, from the MACD, and the price went amazingly up. So don't be in a rush, guys. We are waiting. Trying to find some other signals on other charts, but for now, unfortunately, nothing. Okay, maybe now ADCNY is finally ready to move down. And we're here also ready to go down with ADCNY. Everything is prepared for me to enter here, and 5 minutes in the downward direction. ADCNY, I'm in. Let's go. I think it's gonna be our last trade for today, guys. Let's see how it goes. Ooh, such a huge candle. I love that. I hope it is not gonna go up the same quick as it went down, because now it feels like maybe 5 minutes were too much. But I checked the history of this chart, and usually it takes 4 to 5 minutes for the price to go up or down. Let's see how it goes this time. And yeah, guys, don't forget that I always do live trading sessions every Tuesday and Thursday, same time, same place. So my next stream this week will be on Thursday, the day after tomorrow, same time, same place. If you don't want to miss my next live stream, the QR code is on the screen. You can join my Telegram channel, where I always post announcements about my live stream. And yeah, don't forget to also subscribe to my YouTube channel, put like to my live stream. And also there is the link in the description of this live stream. You can click on that, and you can text me on my Telegram private messages and ask me anything you want about trading. I'll try to explain you everything in details. So just a reminder for you. And it feels like that the music left me, or not? No, it's still there. Okay. And we have 3 more minutes, and it feels like the price goes up, but okay, we're waiting, we're just waiting. Would love to finish the stream with a perfect and beautiful, I don't know, last terrain, but we will see how it goes. Well, it didn't touch actually the support yet, so I believe that it needs to go lower, you know. or again. Or again, this volatility that killed my last couple of trades. Also on ADC and why it came there. Oh no. The market starts moving super fast, but let's hope that it was just a correction and it will go to touch the support, because still it's kinda far. Okay, I like that. So one last minute. One last minute. No, wait, don't go up. Hold on. Just a little bit more. We are waiting for the closure of the last candle. And it goes super close. Oh my god. Here we go. The last profit for today, guys. Thank you so much for the live stream. I hope that you enjoy that. I really enjoyed it because this live trading session definitely was profitable for me. I started my live stream with $6,000. Right now you can see that I have $7,000 on my account. It was not easy live trading session. It was pretty difficult today. But we managed to finish this trading session with a profit, and that's an amazing result. Anyway, I will see you on my next stream on Thursday, same time, same place. Kiss and hugs to all of you, and